Hey there, are you what I call a dreaming creator? You have an idea of something that you could sell. Maybe you've even made up a few products, but you haven't opened your Etsy shop yet. And it's not because you're not motivated, because you are motivated. It's because there's a lot of questions that keep piling up, like, what should I name my shop? Or how many products do I need? Or what about the product photos? Or the pricing? Or shipping? Tags? Etsy fees? All that kind of stuff. And suddenly opening your shop feels like a huge project. But you do not need every detail figured out before you can begin. You need a simple understanding of how Etsy works. That's it. And then one realistic next step. So that's why I created the Etsy expansion course to help creative people like you begin where you are with clarity and a lot less pressure. So if you're interested, come at DREAMY. If you're wanting to open an Etsy shop and you're still just thinking about it.